today's video, we're going to cover the riff that was just played that I call Moody Rock 1B, and we're going to learn the rhythm, what fingers I use, and we're going to use tab to help us learn it. So let's take a look at the first beat. We're going to look at the first two 16th notes. Going 1 E, doing a hammer-on from 5 to 7 on the D string. So what we're going to do is we're going to use our index finger to ring finger for that hammer-on the 5 to 7 of D. 1 E. Again, that's 1 E. What we have next in the first beat is the and, both 16th notes, doing a slide from 5 to 7 on the G string. So how we're going to do that is we're going to take our index finger, and move it down to the G string, and slide up. And, So again, that's and, Put that whole first beat together, we get 1 E and A little faster, that's 1 E and So when we hit beat 2, it's going to start silent with that 16th rest. And on the E of 2, we're going to go back to 5 with our index finger and give it a bit of a vibrato for an 8th note after it. So it's going to be E and A with vibrato. E and A. So if I play the first two beats, it's going to be 1 E and A, 2 E and A. Beat 3 is going to start with a bend on the 7th fret of the G string. It's going to last for a dotted 8th note, so 3 E and. And I'm going to use my ring finger for that bend. 3 E and. Again, that's 3 E and. And then we're going to end the third beat on the A with the 5 on the G string where our index finger is already located. And that's going to tie into the fourth beat for the entire beat. 4 E and A. So if I'm doing the last two beats, 3 E and A, 4 E and A. If I'm doing the entire first measure, 1 E and A, 2 E and A, 3 E and A, 4 E and A. A little faster. 1 E and A, 2 E and A, 3 E and A, 4 E and A. So when we move on to the next measure, we're going to start with two 16th notes of 1 E with a pull off. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to move my ring finger up to the 7 on the D string, and I'm going to pull off to the 5 of the D string to my first finger. 7, 5. That's 1 E. Following that, we're going to do a hammer-on back to the 7 with our ring finger for the and. So that's E and. All three together. 1 E and. And then to wrap it up for the A of the first beat, we're going to move our index finger down to the 5th fret of the G string for a nice vibrato. So if I play the entirety of the second measure, 1 E and A. So now I'm going to play the entire riff slowly, counting the rhythm as I go. 1 E and A, 2 E and A, 3 E and A, 4 E and A, 1 E and A. And now I'll play faster. 1 E and A, 2 E and A, 3 E and A, 4 E and A, 1 E and A. With enough practice, you'll get this riff down in no time. Hopefully you enjoyed the video. If you did, give it a like. If you want to learn more guitar, please subscribe. Just have fun and happy practicing.